Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to do another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where I talk about my top stocks. I also talk about crypto. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Okay, today we had some good hot stocks. Some were AI. Okay, today's hot stock is Tesla. Tesla up 0.92%. SoFi shares were up as much as 1.54. And ticker symbol APLD or Applied Digital, the data centers stock or shares rose up 17.69%. Ford shares rose today 5.66. Amazon shares rose 1.29. In AV Aero Environment, they rose 8.4% on the day. Also, energy stocks continue to surge as Venezuela switches over to U.S. control. That will get the oil companies back online and some big profits possibly for U.S. energy companies. Okay, so let's go to my other portfolio real quick. Okay, in my Schwab account today, my top stock is SoFi. SoFi shares were up as much as 3.29% for a gain of $360. Tesla in second place for a gain of 180, and APLD was up as much as 15% early in trading. As we get closer, it is up 8% on the day for a gain of $80. Okay, Ford shares rallying 5.39%. Also, COP or ConocoPhillips rising over 6%. And AV, as mentioned earlier, they were up as much as 8%. They're going up as much as 8% going into the final. All right, so those are the top stocks today in my portfolio: Tesla, APLD, and SoFi. All right, here we are in the news. We have the Dow Jones up 0.47%. The S&P 500 stocks are down 0.07. The NASDAQ stocks are down 0.63. And the Russell 2000 small cap stocks are at 1.07%. In some headlines, the Supreme Court may rule Friday on Trump tariffs, whether they're legal or not, and what's at stake for the economy. Trade deficit in October hit smallest since 2009 after Trump's tariff move. Okay. And why Trump is going after institutional home buyers such as Invitation Homes and BlackRock. Okay. It says they dominate the market in markets like Atlanta and Jacksonville. Okay. So we did see a slump in stocks like BlackRock and Invitation Homes, with Trump mentioning that he was going to cut back on that. All right. We did see Department of Defense surge stocks such as Lockheed Martin and others rally today, as Trump did mention military budget will grow in the next year or two. So we did see Lockheed Martin and related stocks surge today. All right, so lastly, we'll go to my Robinhood. Okay, my Robinhood, we are up 1.16% for a gain of $54. And lastly, I want to cover EchoStar. EchoStar shares are up again today. Okay, here it is. EchoStar shares are up again today, 5.77%. Again, they'll be working closely with SpaceX as more and more spectrum is needed. So SpaceX needs more spectrum to deliver more communication signals, and so they are purchasing it from EchoStar. Okay, so we see shares of EchoStar surge today 5.77, and over the last week up 8.98%. But if we look at the last month, we're up a little bit over 35% EchoStar shares. All right, and if you look at my position, I'm gonna look up a little over 38% since I started talking about this last month. All right, so EchoStar shares up over 35% over the last month, and for the day, they were up 5%. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope to see you in my next video.